Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here.
1, 2, 3, let's go!
My name is Deepika and I'm a Viscom student studying at Madras Christian College. So in today's video, we will talk about everything related to Satyabhama Institute of Science and Technology or Satyabhama University. So first I will give a little bit introduction about the institution, and then I will tell about the courses, mainly engineering courses, and I will talk about BE, BTech eligibility, then admission process, and I will cover important dates for this examination, and step by step I will tell you guys how to apply to the college, and I will also cover the entrance examination, which is SAEEE 2021, and I will also tell about exam syllabus and sample question paper. Stay tuned till the end, and without wasting any time, let's just start the video. So Satyabhama Institute of Science and Technology, also known as Satyabhama University, is a private deemed to be university situated at Chennai, Tamil Nadu. It was founded in 1987 and the university is aggregated with A grade by NAAC. The campus is spread in 134 acres and the NIRF ranking of Satyabhama Institute of Science and Technology is 39, and placement percentage of Satyabhama Institute of Science and Technology is 95.59% for all the UG courses. So college offers various courses like BE, BTech, B Design, B Architecture, and if we talk about especially in engineering, so there are 14 UG courses and 10 PG courses, and the total number of UG seats are 2640. So now let's talk about BE and BTech eligibility criteria. So the eligibility criteria for all BE and BTech programs are: the candidate should pass 10+2 examination in any 3 of the subjects: physics, mathematics, chemistry, computer science, electronics, information technology, biology, informatics, practices, biotechnology, technical vocational subject, agriculture, engineering, graphics, business studies. You must have had studied any of the 3 subjects in your 12th standard. And the next eligibility criteria is: the candidate should obtain at least 45% marks, 40 marks in case of candidates belonging to reserved categories in the above subjects taken together. The aggregate of all the 3 subjects should be at least 45 and 40% for reserved category candidates. So I'm only going to talk about BE and BTech programs here, and if you want to study any other course, so I have provided the college official website in the description box, so you can check out if you want to get more information about your course or eligibility or fees. So you can check out the college website. So now let's move on to admission process. So the admission to BE BTech programs is done on the basis of performance in All India Online Entrance Examination 2021 conducted by Satyabhama Institute of Science and Technology, which is SAEEE exam. So the next step is the candidates will be shortlisted and called for counseling based on their performance in Entrance Examination 2021. On the day of counseling, the branch of study will be allotted depending on the availability of seat, and provisional admission order will be issued on the same day after collecting a counseling fees of 50,000, and refund of tuition fees is as per UGC regulations. So you have to give the exam. So after giving the exam, you have to wait for your result, and based on your marks for which all courses you are eligible, Then you have to select any of the courses and then you have to submit it. Then you have to pay the counseling fees, which is 50,000. So now let's discuss some important dates. So the last date to submit the online application form is on 18th June 2021, and first phase of online entrance examination is on 26th June 2021 and 27th June 2021. For now, they have only mentioned phase 1 details and dates. So these are the important dates for phase 1 examination. So as you can see on the screen, this is the website of Satyabhama University, and I have provided a link in my description box, so you will be directed to this page. As you can see, all the information is available. The top recruiters for Satyabhama, the phase 1 online entrance examination on 26th June and on 27th June. If you go down, then you can see the admission procedure. And these are the 5 steps to apply. First is you have to register yourself, and then you have to verify your email, and the step 3 is fill application online, and step 4 is upload your documents, and step 5 is submit the application. So when you click on the apply now, so you will see this page, and here you can register yourself, and then they will give you an email to verify your email. And here you can select your programs. So if you want BE Computer Science and Engineering or with any specialization, so you can select your course, or any other course like B Design or B Architecture or BSc Biochemistry. So you can select your course here, and your number, your mobile and your state, and then you have to submit. After verifying the email, then you can submit application form with your details and with your documents. So I will link this page in the description box, so you can check that out. So this is how you can apply to the college, and you can check the syllabus and sample question paper. If you have any other doubt, you can check the college website. They have provided all the information regarding admission so that students don't get confused. So you can check out the eligibility or fees of the course, of your specific course. I will provide the link in my description box. So this is all the information regarding the SAEEE examination. And if you want me to cover any other college admission process, so you can comment down below. So that's it guys for today's video. I hope you guys find it helpful. If you did, then please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content. And thank you so much guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.